Okay, so what we're going to talk about today is how to import a part from Matrix into CounterSketch International. So let's just say we have this particular part here that we are wanting to incorporate into maybe a design into CounterSketch. All we need to do is select this particular part and save that as a 3DM. So I've already saved that onto the desktop and just called it Scroll 1. Then you want to open up CounterSketch International, and the first thing you want to do is go into your freehand mode. The part or the area that you want to go into is user parts. So we click on that, and then we're simply going to click on the little plus button here and select from this option here. We're going to go down to Rhino document, and obviously we're on the desktop here. That's where I've saved the piece. So we're going to just double click on that, and that will show up in the user parts that we have created. So basically in our part toolbox here. To bring that into CounterSketch, we simply just double click it, and there it is. So we have the ability to scale, in all these different directions, scale up and down, all that kind of thing. It's important to note though that if you've created, say for example, a ring in Matrix or in Rhino Gold or even in native Rhino, and you've imported it into CounterSketch, it's not going to have the same parametric ability as what the designs that are part of the CounterSketch software will have. They're not parametrically the same. You will be able to have scale things and bend and all that kind of thing, but as far as bringing a ring in, you're not really going to be able to do too much with it, apart from perhaps render it, and that's not going to be an issue in the render menu up there. Alright, if you've got any questions, please feel free to ask. I hope that helps.